If I gave you one of each, do you think you could tell the difference?
No, 100%.
I probably couldn't.
That's a tough one.
Well, to find out, I recruited 3 groups. Beer tour guides, Mike and Davin, homebrew challenge tasters, Norm and Lauren, and the next door neighbors.
So I can't decide if I'm going to be really good at this test taste or if I'm going to be really bad.
The story of porter dates back over 300 years. And it originated as a darker version of English brown ales that were a very popular style at the time. Do you guys think you could tell the difference between a stout and a porter?
I feel like a stout is almost like a little bit more like potent.
I was under the opposite impression.
A stronger, fully bodied version of porters became known as stout porters, and eventually just stout.
Can I say straight away without even smelling or drinking what I think is? Because I feel like this is the stout one.
The porter has the more foam.
Early guess.
Yeah.
That was what I was gonna say too.
Yeah, no, the porter is more foam.
Gotta smell with your mouth open, that's the trick.
To be fair to my tasters, there are a lot of varieties of porters and stouts, and these folks are going in blind. Look, just in the BJCP guidelines alone, there's a whole bunch of porters like Baltic, English, American, pre-Prohibition porter.
If I recall correctly from my tour at the Guinness factory, stouts are more darker than... No, wait, which one's darker?
So I need to know what this is, because I normally wouldn't drink this, but it's not bad.
This is roasty, a little bit of sweetness, but not much.
This one's not roasted, but it is grainy.
And, well, for stouts, Irish, extra Irish, sweet, oatmeal, tropical, foreign extra, American, and imperial. That's a lot. And today I'm giving the tasters a dry stout, so kind of an Irish stout, and an American porter.
You're thinking this is a stout.
I think this is a stout, and
this is a porter.
Yeah.
The more I sit here and not decide, the harder it gets.
I think this is my porter, and
Yeah.
this is my stout.
I'm gonna call that one second.
Which one do you think is stout?
This one.
You both agree that's the stout.
I'm not changing my mind.
You're probably right, but I'm gonna call you opposite.
Invert
Yep.
me.
I think this is the stout.
Every other person that's done this, the 2 people did not agree with each other.
Really?
Picked a different one as being.
Well, I don't get a mind of my own. That was in the vows.
He's not wrong.
Stout, porter.
I am the opposite, so I am porter stout.
Tell me.
I'm very curious to know which one of us called the stout properly.
So the tulip glass on the left, that is the stout.
I should have known because of the glass too.
The tulip glass is in fact a stout. The stout is in the tulip glass, Norm, you're right.
Okay.
Sometimes you just know.
I mean, I'm still like technically like your protege, so I'll take whatever. I'm just learning. It's a good thing you got it right. Otherwise, I'm wondering the wrong person.
It's all guesswork, man.
Yeah, this one had a true porter aroma. This one, to me, has a little bit of a smoky smell to it.
So it turns out this wasn't so easy, but I need to give the wrong guessers a chance for redemption. Maybe next time we should do pale ale versus IPA or lager versus steam beer. I don't know. Which styles should we have them identify next?
I'm really upset that I did not get it right.